This gold chain is great. It's very high strength, very hard. Looks like real 14K gold color, unlike the other cheap fake necklaces. It's heavy, thick Cuban gold chain, has a good clasp. 5 out of 5 stars. Just what I ordered. It will last for years. I love it. It's very nice, shiny, and really has good weight. Looks good in any outfit. The clasp is really great. It locks on very tight, so the chain won't fall off very easily. Overall, it's 5 out of 5 stars. Just what I ordered. It will last for years.